it's about ready. It's chilling. Hello there. You know me. The Session, the most drippy chef out. You just seen the sneaks. Very fire. I would like to welcome you to today's episode of Easy Vegan Snacks. It's a special day over here in the healthy land. We're being extra holistic. And you know, fellas, ladies too, I'm bringing you a delightful treat. Two fantastic guests, both educated, both pretty, both healthy as you understand. But guess what? They're coming here, we're gonna make some delicious smoothies, but you can't continue on if you didn't watch last week's episode, or actually, last episode. The link's gonna be up here somewhere. Click that one, okay? You watch it, then you come back to us. Press play. Thank you for watching this. Without further ado, let's get it. Guess what, people? I have an important announcement to make. I'm medicated. Zoom out. Wanted to let you know that you can still be in any circumstances or condition and make these delightful treats. Today, I bring to you my baby, oat milk. You know about her from last week's episode. We talked about the favorite milks of mine. And this is it. As I stated before, the Caucasians tried to hide this from us, but surprise, we know about the oat milk. It's very delicious, nutritious, and guess what? Zero cholesterol, you guessed it. That's right, salad. So without further ado, I present to you my favorite guests. Here they are. Say hello.
Hi.
Announce yourselves, my dears.
My name is Noelia, and my Instagram is 𝙈𝙚𝙙𝙬.
I'm Des. My Instagram is stellar.des.
Make sure you follow them both. And today they're gonna be my lovely, lovely assistants. And as you've seen, she has the doctor glove on. You ask, why do you have that glove on? Can you tell the people?
Yeah, so today we're going to be using spirulina, and this is a blue spirulina, but it does get a little bit messy. Super blue.
Without further ado, we're going to make these smoothies. The first smoothie up is going to be made by the beautiful Laluna. Okay, it's going to be is these things here. I'll let her tell you what's going to be in it.
Okay, we have some beautiful organic strawberries, some whole blueberries, bananas.
Oat milk's going to be in there. She's always in the mix of things. She's crazy. Let's get that started right now. Can you try to move the book over? Smoothie number 1 done. Now it's time for smoothie number 2.
Okay, so today we're going to be using the blue spirulina. It's full of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties and has lots of protein as well. Bananas. So add some pineapple for sweetness. Kale. When I put greens in my smoothie, since it's already extra, I just like to put a little bit. I don't really want to taste them. So blue spirulina is a type of algae. It's called blue magic.
Without acting alone,
to be fancy, so we put some edible flowers in there. And what's cool about these cups and straws is that they are 100% compostable. Amazing, right?
Not only are they compostable, but they donate 25% of their profits to social and environmental causes.
Hi, my name is Noelia, and you can find me on Instagram at @laluna_health or on YouTube at laluna_health as well. I'm a holistic health coach, so if you're wanting any holistic health or any help on adopting a plant-based lifestyle, I'm your girl. Here you are.
I'm excited. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Yeah, this looks delicious. Flour is very bougie. That's what we like here.
I'm Des. You can find me on IG at stellar.des. I'm the co-owner and chef behind Stellar Cafe. You can find Stellar Cafe on IG, stellar.cafe. It's a vegan catering and pop-up company.
Thank you very much.
Of course. Cheers. The Snoop Dogg to my Martha Stewart.
We have two delicious smoothies here. Two. Very excited. Look at the colors on these things. Fellas, I guess ladies also. If you're looking to get some second dates, you show the colors. I mean, look at the bouginess. You touch it with the flower. If you don't get a second date, you slip it. As you just see, don't keep your straw in your hair. I can do that because I'm a little bit more bougie than you. I'm gonna taste these. Tastes exquisite. Let's go on to the other one. Ah, damn. They're both delicious. What I would recommend is adding, maple syrup, stevia, or even agave. I read some shit online talking about agave. It's kind of like corn syrup. So if you're one of those people who's a little freaked out about the agave, relax. You can use date syrup, maple syrup, stevia, something like that, okay? I would like to thank you for joining me on this amazing adventure of flavor. My two lovely guests, make sure you follow them. Their Instagram names will appear here and here. You know what you need to do. It is that time. You tell your auntie, you tell your mother, anybody who cooks, your brother, whoever. I am now their favorite chef. You understand that? Hit the subscribe button, and then you hit that bell. Hit it. I love you all. I am 𝙎𝙚𝙬. Follow me on Instagram. And other than that, chase your dreams. And if you're not chasing your dreams, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Bye-bye.